Hello everyone. Today I thought about making a petticoat to wear under a skirt, especially for beginners. You can adjust both the length and width according to your needs. It will enhance your look on special occasions. So let's get started. Thin and structured fabrics like a tulle or mesh work well. I will be using organza. I will make 4 tiers 7 inches wide for a knee-length petticoat. If you don't want your skirt to be too voluminous, a width of about 10 inches is fine. Total length can be determined according to your needs. First tier. Measure the waist circumference by 2.5 times and cut. Second tier. 1.5 to 2 times the length of the first tier. Third tier. 1.5 to 2 times the length of the second tier. Fourth tier. 1.5 to 2 times the length of the third tier. For the first step, we will sew the side seam using the French seam technique. A French seam is where the wrong sides are first sewn together, then turned over, and the right sides are stitched together again. It creates a neat seam, so the wrong sides face together. Trim up, leaving less than 1/8 inches. And turn it over. Bring the right sides together to hide the seam. And sew again. This technique is useful for fabric that are difficult to serge or tend to fray. We'll attach an elastic waistband to the first tier. Fold it twice to match the width of elastic you have. And sew, leaving an opening. A thinner elastic band would be better for the inner skirt. Mark the first tier by dividing it into 4 sections. For the second tier, sew the side seam using a French seam. Now create a loosened stitch for gathering. Set the stitch length to the max and width to 0. Then sew it about 1/4 inches away from the edge. Divide it 4 parts and mark it. Align the 4 marked points on the first and second tiers. Then make gather the fabric by pulling the upper thread. Pin the right sides together and sew along the gathered line. Remove the loosened stitch thread. Cover the second tier seam with the first tier seam. And sew. Repeat this step for the following tiers. For the third tier, after sewing the side seam with the French seam, do a loosen stitch and pull the upper thread to create even pleats. Now that the range has expanded, you'd better divide it into about 8 equal parts. Align the marked points between the second and third tiers. Pin the right sides together and sew. Remove the loosened stitch threads. Cover the third tier seam with the second tier seam and sew all around. Follow the same process for the fourth tier. Once you reach the desired total length, sew the hem of the skirt. Fold it twice and sew all the way around. Insert the elastic through the opening and secure it. Then finish it off. Thank you for watching.